Does God use doctors and medicine for healing? I think there's a common thought in Christianity that you either have to choose doctors and medicine or God for healing. Like they're two separate paths. So let me first say this. Doctors do not heal us. Doctors cannot heal us. If a doctor does surgery, they may remove something, they may try to fix something, but still ultimately you have to heal. Think about a bone that's broken. They can go in and put screws on it, but it still takes time to heal. A doctor can help your body heal, but they cannot heal you. Medicine may help your body heal, but medicine doesn't heal us. Medicine can create conditions that enable the body to heal. And I'm not against doctors or medicine. I just went to the eye doctor the other day. I went to the dentist the other day. I believe that doctors and medicine are both designed to help us heal when they're done God's way. God can give doctors wisdom on how to help people heal. He can help people find medicinal properties and some of the amazing things that God has created. But then there's a whole bunch of things out there that God has not created and humans have made, with a whole bunch of nasty side effects. You just need to listen to some of the ads on TV. Take this pill and it's going to cure your cough, but it might kill you. God isn't behind all that. I think the problem comes when we feel like we have to choose one or the other, like doctors and medicine or God. So let me state this. Your faith and your confidence should never be in a pill, a medicine, or doctor. We should hear from God. If God tells us to take something, we take it, believing Him to heal us. If God tells us to go to the doctor, we go. If God tells us to go directly to Him, we go directly to Him. We have a responsibility to hear from God and do what He tells us to do, and not just make our own plans and command God to bless them. One thing I find really interesting is people who are kind of anti-healing. Let me clarify what I'm saying. I believe it's God's will to heal everyone all over the planet right now. That sickness and disease is never God's will. And some people disagree with that. But I have an issue with that because these people most likely will go to the doctor when they are sick, or they'll take their kids. Why? If sickness is God's will, then why are you trying to get out of God's will? They are hypocrites. They claim God doesn't always heal them, yet they try and do everything they can to try and get healed. But then some people have missed it on the other side, and they've assumed, I guess I'm not in faith if I go to a doctor. It's wrong to go to a doctor. Or I'm not trusting God if I take a medicine. But that's not true either. Because there's a story in Isaiah 39 where King Hezekiah was sick. And I won't read it all because for time's sake. But Hezekiah was about to die. And God told him that. But then in verse 21, it says, take a lump of figs and apply it as a poultice or as a balm to the boil, and then he would recover. That is medicine. So you see, God can use medicine. People also don't realize, because some anti-healing people, they use Timothy's stomach as proof that God doesn't always heal. Yet Paul said, hey, drink some wine for your stomach. My friend, what was that wine supposed to do? It was supposed to soothe his stomach and help him heal. The very verse that people think goes against healing is God providing wisdom to Timothy to help heal him. Not everything is spectacular or supernatural. God may tell you to start walking. God may tell you to take something out of your diet. The whole purpose of this video was to tell you God wants to heal you. Sometimes He will use a doctor. Sometimes He will use a medicine or a food. Sometimes you should go directly to Him, just like the woman with the issue of blood. It's not either or. No matter what you do, you need to trust God, hear from Him, and it shouldn't be I take this medicine or I believe God. No, believe God while you're taking the medicine, and believe that you'll get healed soon so you can stop taking it. It's not believe God or go to the doctor. It's believe God that He's going to use this doctor, He's going to help and give this doctor wisdom to help me. Healing ultimately comes from God. It is His will. How He chooses to do it is up to Him. And if you'd like to hear how you can pray more effectively for healing if you need it, click this video right here. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.